Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about a free stock market course. So before we see that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And just a small update about Coursera Plus here. I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from top companies and universities like Google, Amazon, IBM, Microsoft, and Duke University, and many more leading universities around the world are offering courses via this Coursera e-learning platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying that single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription, because with the Coursera Plus subscription, you will get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses. You can also get guided projects and job-ready certificate programs that are offered by top companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see about the free stock market course. So Elearnmarkets provide a free course on stock market, which is called Stock Markets Made Easy, and this is a perfect course for beginners. And the actual cost of this course is 999 rupees, but we can get this course for absolutely free of cost. So to get it for free, just keep watching this video till then. I'll tell you how to get it for free of cost. So this course is offered by Credent Academy, and this is a self-paced one. So you can just set your own schedule for it, and you have around 3 years validity to complete this course once you are enrolled in. More than 3 lakh students have already taken it, and the reviews are pretty good. So if you want to learn the basics of stock markets, maybe this course is good for you. And here you have around 6 hours learning content. You can see that here more than 5.5 hours learning content is available for you, and more than 70 plus videos are available for you. So you can learn from experts through all these videos, and there are some self-evaluation tests. Once you complete that, you can also get your certificate of completion. And if you're wondering what you can learn from this course, they have mentioned that here in topics covered. So you can learn about capital markets, you can learn about mutual funds, financial markets, economy, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. So you can learn about all these things, and this is perfect for beginners. Like I mentioned earlier, you can enroll in this course even if you do not know the basic things in stock markets, because this is designed for someone who wants to start from scratch. So here they have also mentioned what will be the course outline. So in overall, you have around 8 sections. So the first 7 sections will be learning, and the 8th one will be a self-evaluation test. And you can take this test, which will consist of 2-mark MCQ questions, and the overall duration will be for 40 minutes. There won't be any negative marking, but you have to score at least 60% if you want to get your certificate. So the qualifying marks is 60%, so you have to get that to get your certificate. And once you achieve that, you can go to My Certificate tab in your dashboard, and you can just download your certificate. And the student reviews are also good. Like I mentioned earlier, 4.4 out of 5. So you can confidently go ahead and take this course if you want to learn the basics of stock markets. And there is a forum as well. So if you want to discuss anything, there is an opportunity for that. And there are some preview lessons as well. If you want to take this, just make use of it before enrolling in the course. So now let's see how you can get this Stock Markets Made Easy course for absolutely free of cost. So first we need an account in this platform. For that, just click on login at the right top and click on sign up here. And you can use your Google account or Apple ID to create an account in this platform, or else simply click on the sign up with email and give your details here like name, email address, phone number, and click on this register now button and create your account and log into it. And once you are logged in, you can take the course for free. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now you can see here I have logged into my account. Once you are logged into your account, simply click on this enroll now button that you see here. And then you will be directed to the checkout page, and here you can see that the actual price is 999 rupees. But now we are going to get this course for free of cost. So for that, we are going to use a coupon. So let me just use that coupon here. So the 100% off coupon for this particular course is EASY, EASY. So it's a simple coupon code, EASY. So just enter it and click on this apply button. And that's it. Now you can see that the price have come down to 0 rupees, which means you do not have to pay for anything. You can see here that the amount payable is 0. So you can simply click on the start learning and take this Stock Markets Made Easy course for absolutely free of cost. And after completing the course, you can also get your certificate for absolutely free. So I hope you will find this useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ.